Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange Monopoly Go stickers. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go and log in into our account. Now if you want to exchange your Monopoly stickers, you can go ahead and go to the album section that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, if you have duplicate stickers on your account, it will automatically be converted into stars. So when you click on the vault or box icon that you see at the bottom right corner or bottom right of your screen, just click on it, and from here, as you can see, we have 2 stars, meaning we have 2 duplicate stickers. Now once we receive or get 100 stars, we'll be able to exchange this to rewards on Monopoly Go. So when we click on the vault here, as you can see, I'll be getting around 15 to 29 ties, and as well as a pack, which is a minimum of 3 stars. But yeah, just need to collect those duplicate stickers and you'll be able to get this reward. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.